Hey, it's Living with Chanel. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. I am glad you're here. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button because I would love for you to join my family. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple recipe. I'm going to show you how to make spinach omelette. With just a few ingredients, you will be amazed. Let's get started. Egg, spinach, you can put as much as you would like, onion. I like mine a little bit spicy, so I'm gonna add some red pepper flakes and white pepper. Along with that, I'm adding some salt, obviously, some cilantro and parsley. You will need oil. I'm using here peanut oil. You can use olive oil or butter. I like to add my salt at the beginning so it gets infused with the egg. You can start by frying your eggs before you add your spinach, but I like mine all together. So I'm going to add my spinach right now. I like to have color in my eggs, so I'm going to add just a little bit of bell peppers. I have here green, red, and yellow. While I'm starting to add my seasonings, I'm going to turn on my fire. Red pepper flakes to taste, cilantro, parsley, just a little bit, and white pepper. Mix that all together. The reason why I mix all of it together before frying is because it just brings that flavor. Let's taste the salt. Perfect. Add your oil. It can be olive oil or butter. I'm going to beat this one last time and then pour into my oil. Don't beat too much. That's what your spinach and egg should look like. Just pour that into the pot. Now we're gonna reduce that fire all the way to low and let it cook slowly. I'm gonna lift this a little bit and let it cook under. I'm gonna check that. As you can see, the other side is ready. Our egg is ready. Let's plate it.